Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to create and set up your Sniffies profile. So let's get started with the video. Launch the application and make sure that you have installed the latest version. Here you will get an option of login or use my email. You can sign up using both of the option over here. Click on login. And here you can enter your email, password and sign in. If you do not have the account, here you will get an option of sign up at the lower side. Click on sign up, enter your name, email, password. Once you enter on next, it will ask for your age. You can enter your age over here and it will ask about. You can give a description of yours here in 1 or 2 lines. Then it will ask to upload your photo. You can upload your photo over here. Once you have uploaded the photo, click on sign up. So as you can see that you have successfully signed up for the Sniffies application. So this is how you can basically create and set up your Sniffies profile. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.